Melanie, founder and creator of the YouTube channel Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. So in today's video, we are going to talk all about outdoor events, and we're going to do a shopping haul at Five Below, in which I will share with you guys some items that could be used for your upcoming outdoor event. So in this venue tour, we're touring a beautiful space in Huntsville, Alabama. It is called Annabella. I had a wedding here last fall. It was so beautiful. And what I'm finding is that a lot of my clients are opting for outdoor locations due to COVID. It is, it allows your guests to kind of spread out in different little nooks and crannies. And it just makes everyone feel just kind of safer when they're celebrating together as much as possible. So I'm going to give you guys a few tips that I want you to kind of remember when you're planning an outdoor event and when you're looking for a venue. So the first thing is that you want to choose a venue that has an indoor-outdoor option, because inclement weather is always a possibility. So you want to have something that you can move into in the case of inclement weather. The second thing is you want to make sure that it's a picturesque area. You want to have like little springs and different little ponds and little flowers and bridges and things that would make beautiful photos and beautiful backdrops, because bringing in, backdrops may not be an option due to wind. You can sand them down, you can cement them down. I've done everything and still had backdrops to collapse. So when I'm planning outdoor events, I try to include as few backdrops as possible, and I opt for like metal arbors and things that can be cemented in. So like, for example, with this particular event, it was an outdoor event, but it did have an indoor location there, although the weather turned out absolutely gorgeous. But if you look behind me, you can see that nature created a beautiful backdrop, and I only had to have that one backdrop for photos. So making sure your event has that in place and a backup spot in the case of inclement weather. Now let's journey on to Five Below. Right now they have a lot of plant stands and a lot of outdoor umbrellas. All of these things can be very, very, very useful for like desserts. This could be useful for like little chairs for kids' parties. You can use the white ones and cover them with like a spandex cover for a table pedestal. Just the possibilities are limitless. The next thing I came across were these extra large metal lanterns. Y'all, these are so gorgeous. They came in black and in white. You could spray paint these. You could put floral arrangements on the inside of them. You can cascade them down the side. They also had these large LED candles, and so this centerpiece would only be $9.25 if you just went with the candles. Another thing that they had were these gorgeous boho chic cotton rugs. They were 3x5s. These would work really well with the pallet picnics that are really popular right now. I'm going to share some ideas for those with you guys in a little bit later on in this video. Also, butterflies are very popular. So this wall decor can actually be cut up to smaller butterflies, and you can have metallic butterflies. I love these faux plants. They're only $5 a piece. They would be great for a boho chic theme event, and you don't have to worry about anything, and you could actually paint the base. Another thing that really caught my eye were these bed canopies. I think these are so cute for like the slumber parties and things like that. They were only $5 each, and they also had the faux fur pillowcases that were $5 each as well. Now, many of you guys asked me about boy items for boy parties. How cute is this gamer chair? Now, I do know there are girls that game as well, but I just think this is so cute for a boy themed party, like a gaming party. Do the blow up chairs and then you are done. Now with a spa theme party would also be super fun. Look at the, the mirrors here and the nail polishes. I just think that would be so cute at each place setting. Years ago, I shared an umbrella. It was like a straw umbrella. These would be so cute on a table. I think that would be so cute on a table. And these little the little front door rugs I thought were super cute as well. Now here is an example of a pallet picnic where you just get like a pallet or an old door like I used here to create a tablescape outside with a little rug. You could use the boho chic rugs. You could use the faux plants down the center of the tablescape. The possibilities are really limitless here. If you wanted to make it taller, you could use those little seats that I showed you guys in the beginning, and it would look absolutely incredible. The great thing about these pallet parties, they could be easily moved on the inside in the case of inclement weather. But again, you want to make sure that you plan accordingly. And if you have a structure or a wall that you could put your backdrop up next to, it kind of helps to offset the wind. If the wind is blowing really heavily, you guys saw my whole disaster video. If not, I'll link that video for you guys at the end of this video so you could check it out. However, when my niece celebrated her 5th birthday, we did a princess picnic outside, and it turned out absolutely incredible. And this is what I was referring to at the beginning of the video when I said that you could use a lot of the boho chic things that are in Five Below in order to create that the pallet picnic trend that is currently like all the rave right now. And it is super easy to do and great for like intimate gatherings and celebrations like bridal showers, baby showers, birthday parties, and the list goes on. Now, finally, I wanted to leave you guys with a little tip, and that is my Luxe recipe cards. I already had the recipe cards for each guest size and things of that nature before COVID. And now on Etsy, I have them post-COVID and pre-COVID. And I think these are really beneficial when you're planning your events and you're ordering your inventory from websites like eFavorMart or your Woes Walls or, Tablecloth Factory, and the list goes on. So be sure to check those out on my Etsy shop. Enjoyed today's video and enjoyed shopping with me at Five Below. If you would like for me to go into another store to do a haul or kind of a shop with me, definitely leave me a comment down below and we will add it to our list of stores. I'm also preparing for a wedding, so stay tuned for some behind the scene tips and things of that nature for the upcoming wedding this weekend. And I can't wait to do the big reveal on Sunday, so you guys mark your calendars and turn on your notification bells. Thank you all so much again for watching, and until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!